snore. I believe this is video 3 on my trip to Staunton, Virginia, and the scenic overlook. I'll put the name right here on the screen. Just completely amazed at how beautiful this state is. Why you always ride with a bit of caution when you go places and you're not familiar with it. This really is something else. I believe where we're going is called Red Spur Scenic Overlook or something. I just had it up on the screen before, but I guess this is a county road, 7 something. This is just something else, I tell you. Like my videos, if you'd be so kind to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. I can't wait. I think after this we're going to, we passed a place called Cooters, and it had the Generally and Cooter de Sheriff's police car parked nose to nose in front. It looked like the coolest place ever. And if I ever win the lottery, absolutely Dukes of Hazzard replica or real deal, if you can find any left from the series. Just a good old boy. Right to a T. Confederate flag on the top, push bar, CB antenna. The only thing I would do if money wasn't an issue, retro. It'd have a Hemi and the trans in it from a current Dodge, and do some Willwood brakes, and that is such a beautiful car, that Air Charger. Incredible. It's just the only time I ever see anything like this is in Warwick. And Warwick is what, 45 minutes, maybe an hour from me. I am not a fan of where I live. I used to live almost 30 miles away. It was Bloomingdale, New Jersey, and it's a little more relaxed, but it was very scenic, and West Milford was right there. It's just, you could literally just ride around Macapin or Otter Hole Road and come out by Monksville, and just great riding. Look at that, huh? Yeah, I'm not a fan of this runoff in the road. Sorry for the quick head turns. I'm not trying to get hit by a car. sir. Look at that. Sitting there on his lawnmower, smiling, enjoying life. Hell yeah, man. Oop, did not expect this corner to be like that. I guess that's a corner or something there. If I'm a little more reserved on this video, which, you know, isn't a good thing if you're trying to get a moto vlog and keep viewer attention, it's just because I'm soaking in everything there is to see, and there is, oh, what's up, Pupper? There's a lot of good stuff to see here. And Nico and Ray and Yanni, if you're watching this, we have to come back here. You would love this. You would love this. I swear that this is where we need to be. Just open roads, friggin' riding around and I mean, look at this. This is something else. And on that note, if you made it this far, friends, once again, I thank you for tuning into my videos. I don't care how long you stay. 1 minute, 5 minutes, the whole minutes, the whole video. I just appreciate you giving up your free time to watch my videos. And I drop these every Friday, 3 p.m. ish. I hope you will come back and watch my videos again.